was a child walking with giants 100 feet tall. Out in the wild, you wouldn't believe all the things that I saw. I took a high road out in the open under those stars. And all the while, I just got closer to going too far. So now I'm running like you set me free out in the wild. I know you want me to come home, but it might take a while. I've got my heart in my hands while my head's up in the clouds.
Ay, ba't hindi siya, ginawa niya akong babae yun.
If I'll make it back to you. So I just keep running. And I said, if I will make it back, where the sand runs into the oceans, where I get lost, and let the raindrops fall around my castle of course. Faced with the lions, I've had the courage
Mahal na mahal kita, hindi ito magbabago. Asahan mo ito.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig sa araw at gabi.
Ang pag-ibig na
like you set me free out in the wild. I know you want me to come home, but it might take a while. I got my heart in my hands while my head's up in the clouds. Only heaven knows if
Thank you, si Madrid. Galing. The best.
knows if I will make it back.
tong pinto. Nila the best!
Okay, sila Paul. Uy, ano ginagawa nyo dyan? Ano ginagawa nyo dyan?
Masyado kami nadala sa emosyon namin. Sobrang ganda. One of the best show na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko.
Itahan mo.
Ay, itong gabing to, ang pinaka masayang gabi namin sa Macau. Sa mga nandyan, galingan yung mabuti para next year kayo naman ang nandito, okay?